The people of Malta have voted at the last general election, barely 4 months ago, for union with Britain. Such a union would guarantee their progress to the British standard of living, education and social services. In return, they offer you, the people of Britain, a base as your own in the Mediterranean. They expect to have a say in our joint destiny by sending representatives to the House of Commons. Of course, they are willing to share all your risks and burdens. That we are capable of doing so has been shown clearly during the last 2 wars.
Is-sija tal-prova waslet. Il-poplu Malti li fl-modi tant iġġieled battalji ta' ħaddieħor issa wasal biex juri lid-dinja jekk veru kibirx u sar nazzjon. Biex ikun irrispettat minn popli oħra, irid juri li hu lest biex il-battalji għad-drittijiet tiegħu jiġġielidhom b'aktar qilla, b'sagrifiċċji akbar u brieda aktar soda milli fl-modi kien iġġieled il-gwerer ta' ħaddieħor. Quddiem Alla għandna raġun. Issa sta għalina li dan ir-raġun neħduh ukoll mingħand in-nies ta' din id-dinja. Jekk inkunu ġwejjef aħna, jistħuna uliedna u ulid uliedna. Illum waslet is-sija meta kull Malti irid bil-fatti juri li Malta għalina tiġi l-ewwel u qabel kollox.